Yeah, I know. It's a wish. I've been having a good day today. We're just doing that through Thursday and Friday. Yeah, I realized that. No, you didn't. We did? That was no. That was last no. What? The weekend before last Monday. Was the Lord leaving?
Well, you're on a timer. It's right on our agenda. Oh. Play it on your camera.
Sorry. Mr. Shannon, I'm in. My old phone is iPhone 7 with big black crashes.
Just don't worry about it.
Oh, Wednesday's been really. I'm wondering if we had just do something.
Color pencils, journal, pencil.
I'm not tired of what.
How's it going?
I'm just gonna upload that video.
This one? All right, you have less than a minute. Get your lives together. What's up? All right, I need you to bring him tomorrow. You can borrow for today, but I'm back to
That's a legit thing right there. You know what? My mom.
All right, that's time. I don't see journals on desk.
My journal was done.
I don't see colored pencils.
Oh, I don't have one. No, well, then
Very nice.
oh, mama.
Journal.
We can have like what? Journal? Hey, all the. Actually, I think I do have something. Oh, dude. We have some.
Oh, yeah. Years.
Kind of weird.
Spray and take classes. And now I pay for it. It is. Right there.
Yo.
No, I think I did, but I don't know where they are. My little brother. Oh, where are you? There we go, Miss Jane. This is my new ASMR stitching spray.
7 people.
Thank you.
All right, if you can hear me clap once. If you can hear me clap twice. You don't have color pencils, raise your hand. Ready? 1, 2. Do you have some? Quick. We're gonna be working with color pencils quite a bit this week, so if you don't have them today, I need you to bring them tomorrow. You got some in your school supplies?
Yep.
From TSMS. All right. Is it streaming this screen?
Weird.
Okay, so Friday was our last day. Friday was our last day of inequalities. Yeah. Now we're starting a unit called similar figures. I have a question. Yes, sir.
How long are units?
Like inequalities is a unit.
Yeah, but like how long are the ones?
It depends on the unit.
Some of them are longer than others. Like this one, I think is 2 weeks long.
Oh.
Inequalities is only a week. All right, so our essential
Carson, put your mask on correctly.
Our essential question for this week is how can you use ratios to determine if 2 figures are similar? Raise your hand if you remember what a ratio is, or maybe a little bit. It doesn't have to be fully.
Never mind.
Okay. We're gonna review that today.
That's what radio is.
Not really. All right, for similar figures, can a triangle be similar to a square?
No. Yes. No. 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 No way.
Can a triangle be similar to a pentagon?
No. No.
No. You're being goofy.
No. I actually thought you could, but.
Well, because similar figures have to be the same shape. So on that paper that I gave you, similar figures must have the same shape.
Like the exact same. So square can be the same square.
It's gonna be
But
similar.
a square can't be like a rectangle. Be like a rectangle.
Interesting.
Oh.
So corresponding angles are going to be what we call congruent. C-O-N-G-R-U-E-N-T. Congruent. Anybody know what congruent means? A possible synonym?
They have to have like the same size.
Same size. So the angles on similar figures are all the same size.
So
Same
I'm right.
measure. Yep. And then corresponding sides are going to be proportional. Who remembers starting to go over proportions in 6th grade? It's kind of a funky word, right? Proportion. Probably talked about the proportions of your body.
Oh
Have you
yeah.
ever heard somebody say like, "Oh, you're proportional"? Like,
Oh yeah, she
proportional?
my teacher compared to me like this really tall.
Yeah.
I was pretty like,
All right. Next page. PRO. POR. TIONAL. Proportional. All right. So whenever I talk about corresponding sides, this is where you're gonna need your color pencils. Choose a color. So with your first color, you're gonna highlight SP.
any color?
Your first color. Choose a color. With that same color, we're gonna highlight the corresponding side on the second figure. Because are these the same shape?
Yes.
Yes.
That one's just,
Do similar figures have to have the same size?
the other one's just
No.
working through.
No. HK would be the corresponding side. Very good. All right, choose your next color. If I highlight PQ, what is the corresponding side on this one?
HCI.
H to the I. Next color.
A 9 green.
I choose SR. What's the corresponding side on this one?
KJ.
KJ. And of course, the last one, QR corresponds to IJ.
Oh, they're on that.
So now, down here, you see these proportions, right? If a fraction equals to a fraction, we want to make those sides equal. So, for number 1, I have SP, which is this one, and PQ, which goes here. KH, which is here, and we're missing one. So SP and KH correlate, right? PQ and what? HI. We want that to be matching.
Oh, so we didn't have to write those ones.
I recommend that you do.
Oh, wow.
HI was our missing one.
Sorry. I don't get it.
You listen and stop talking, you'll get it.
I was above that. I was above that. Yeah, we're-
Voice. All right, number 2. We have SR, QR, IJ, we're missing something that correlates. So I have red, yellow, and a yellow. I'm missing a KJ.
KJ.
We're missing KJ. For number 3. They have QR, right? Which is this one. HI and IJ. So they have a green and a yellow and a yellow. We're missing one from the small shape.
Herbal.
What is it? SR, very good. We're missing SR. Wait. It would be PQ. Because look, they have a yellow and a yellow. They have a green, but this one's not marked. PQ. All right, number 4, last one. They have QR, SP, KH. We're missing one. Who said IJ?
Me.
IJ. All right. Need your color pencils. If I come over here, let's find the corresponding sides. If I come over here and I highlight AB, what side and this side is the same thing as AB and that side? ED, very good.
Or it's him. Yes. I heard, but no, you. I don't know.
Here's another color. BC. If I highlight BC, what correlates to over here?
Yeah.
EF or FE, whichever one.
Yeah.
Last color. AC corresponds to what?
Yeah. Or FD.
EF or FE, whichever one. Now we know what sides are corresponding, right?
Right.
So AB corresponds to what over here?
Yep. DE.
DE.
AB. DE. Oh.
BC corresponds to EF. EA corresponds to
FD.
FD or DF, it doesn't. Yes, sir.
I have a question. Does it matter if you go in that same order? Like CA, you said is corresponding with DF, but could you say it's
Corresponding
corresponding
to FD.
with FD?
You could. So I could take this.
FD. Just like I did, see when.
All right, congruent angles, because we said similar figures have to have congruent angles, and Carson said that the angles are going to have the same measurement, right? So A should have the same measurement as what? D. A should have the same measurement as D. B should have the same measurement as what?
E.
E. And C should have the same measurement as F. That's what makes them similar. All right, I need you to open to a new page in your journal. I want you to copy down these two triangles. Exactly how it is up there.
Oh, if I have some,
No, yeah.
I'm going in the head, are we?
Running forward. I think we got 42. I think that's 24. That's like half. Look at these beauties. How much I can hear right now. I gotta show you that again. You know that one?
It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want you to have it labeled.
On my own. 40.
All the letters and numbers that are up there. Still D, E, F, and A, B, C,
Oh.
as well as the numbers.
None of those.
Those numbers are the side lengths of those triangles.
None. Oh. Oh, yes. You're right in.
All right, let's find the corresponding angles. So we're gonna highlight or color the corresponding sides. That's what I'm doing. Corresponding sides.
We'll get there.
Brandon. All right. If I come over here and highlight DE over here in one color,
Can we do that too?
yes.
No.
Which one am I gonna highlight in this one? AB, very good. If I highlight EF in another color,
You have to
BC.
So BC.
EF and BC are corresponding sides.
Oh.
Last color. If I highlight DF, I highlight what? AC. Now I'm gonna name these two figures. These two triangles. These are figures, right? They're triangles. I'm gonna name them. I'm gonna name them triangle one.
Brian and Bob.
Two.
Stephen and Brown.
Yeah.
Now, we're gonna set up what we call ratios. Yeah. Now you've already figured out you don't need any more colored pencils. Just leave them on your desk. All right. So for my first color, we highlighted what? What line? What lines did we highlight in yellow? DE and AB. So that is how we're going to set up our ratio. DE over AB.
Oh. Oh, I remember doing this last year. I was a sixth grade.
Now we're gonna set that equal to our single fill walk, please. Take a lap when they come back. I'm being dead serious, go.
I know, but like weird.
2 minutes and then come back.
I'll be back at 1:00.
What is the length of DE?
4, yeah.
DE is 4, and what's the length of AB?
1.
1. Can we simplify 4 over 1? Yes. So what? 4. 4.
Just 4.
All right, which ones did we highlight in green?
EF and CV.
EF over CB. Now, here's the rule. Figure 1 goes on top all the time. Whatever line you pull from figure 1 goes on top. Figure 2 goes on the bottom.
I think I did.
You what?
I figured it out.
Very nice. All right, what's the length of EF?
12.
12. And the length of CB?
3.
Put your mouse on correctly.
3.
It was like 1 minute, 3 seconds. And I just left people.
All right. What is 12 divided by 3? 12 over 3. 4. So are our ratios the same so far? Are our ratios the same so far?
Yes.
We got 4 and 4. Are they the same?
Yes.
So far, our figures are similar. All right, last one. Blue in figure 1, what did we highlight?
We have D,
DF,
and then we have AC.
AC. What's the length of DF?
20.
And our length of AC, what's 20 divided by 5?
4. Yeah.
Are all of the ratios the same?
Yes.
So all of our sides are proportional, are our figures similar? Figures are similar.
Yes.
Figures are similar. All right. Go ahead and draw these. You can get a new page if you feel like you need to. Give me a pencil in the air if you have a copy down. All right, let's figure out our corresponding sides. Need your colors. Pick one. I'm going green. If I highlight AB here, what am I gonna highlight in the second figure? Yeah. Next color. If I highlight BC, we're gonna highlight FG. Next color. If I highlight CD,
That's GH.
GH, very good. Last one, AD, corresponds to H. All right. So for my green, let's set up the proportion. For green, I've got figure 1, figure 2. Which one goes on top?
Figure 1.
1. Figure 1. So for green, I highlighted
AC.
AB over EF. Very good. We can put them away if we need to. All right, what's my length of AB?
Oh, 9.
6. EF is,
Four.
EF is 4. Can I simplify that? Yes.
You do by two.
You can divide by 2. What's 6 divided by 2?
3.
And 4 divided by 2? So that's our ratio.
Okay.
We want every ratio to be 3 halves. If it's not, are these figures going to be similar? No. All right, let's come over here. My pink, I highlighted BC and
GF.
yeah. All right. Lengths. BC is
9.
GF is
6.
Can I simplify that?
Oh, yeah. You could do 9 divided by 3.
9 divided by 3 is what?
3.
And 6 divided by 3 is?
3.
Is 6 divided by 3?
Oh,
3?
no. My bad. I thought you said divided by 2. Like 6 divided by 2, that would be 3. So.
All right, let's come down to yellow. In figure 1, I highlighted what? AG and FH. JJ, what are my lengths of AD and FH?
6.
9 and 6. Is that the same as up there?
Too, so just you simplify the thing.
Simplified the same way.
Literally the same.
So are we good so far?
Still.
What is? Oh, this. Whoops. You're not wrong.
No, it wasn't 6. Wait, so. Oh,
That
my.
top one is a B.
And then, yeah, it looks 12.
Yeah, I got that mixed up, yeah. All right, for red, figure 1, I highlighted,
CD,
okay,
DC,
and figure 2, ooh, EH,
GH. I don't think you said GH.
my bad, I heard EH. Now my lengths,
16,
16 and 12. How can I simplify that?
You just like the writer.
By what?
But like,
We have to do the standardized.
What can I divide by, JJ? We can divide by 4. What's 16 divided by 4? And what's 12 divided by 4?
It's not standard.
oh.
Are all 4 of these the same?
No.
Red's the oddball out.
Does it
Why is it
does it have to be the same?
So they are not similar. All because one person, one ratio had to be wrong.
How is it?
You had one job.
How is it?
Oh, I know. Yes. I know how to, you just went from right to left for some reason. I did that one first.
Yep, I did that on purpose.
You did?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm coming around with tape if you want it. You can do it if you want to. We are going to finish this tomorrow.
Do it like paper, like doing like.
That was giving you an idea.
You just take the white and then you just fold it up. I did it.
Oh,
All right. Once you are packed up, can I go?
Yes.
That's right there.
You go, Miss Helen?
Yeah, she said as soon as you're packed up.
Oh.